Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching in advance.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna make some curry goat. All right, and we'll just jump right into seasoning it up. So here I have some blended jerk season. I'm gonna go in with this. Okay, now we're gonna go in with some black pepper. And we're gonna go in with about a tablespoon. Like I said, I don't normally measure. This is about 2 tablespoons. A curry goat, I want it to taste nice. Some smoked paprika. We're going in with some chicken season. And we're also going in with some stew season. Okay, and now just a pinch of salt to taste. Okay, and now we're gonna go in with all of our cut up season. Now everything, and remember we're dealing with curry goat, so we're gonna put in our betapac curry. All right, so okay, there we have it. So now we're gonna roll up this chicken, this goat. Roll up your goat, and remember we are doing it with love, you know. See it here, my people. Yes, man. So just take your time and you roll up your season in your goat. See it here? Just like that. Rub everything and make sure so all that season spread all over the meat. So now we are gonna put him down and make him go marinate. Alright? Put him down for marinate. And we soon come back again, my people. See there you have it. So here is it, everyone. All I did when I seasoned up my goat, just dump it out into the slow cooker. Okay, it's you can stay for overnight because it's slow cooker, you know, it takes a lot of time, but easy. From you season it up, all I did just dump it out right in here. All right, and it's gonna stay right there until it tender, eatable, not chewy now. So this is it. This is our curry goat. Just like that, everyone. Okay, so don't go anywhere now. Stay right there and just watch as we finish up this nice, well seasoned curry goat. All right, my people, see that beautiful curry look. Now there. Yes, slow cooker.
Paragraph 2. Why should you think seriously about practice and what you do?
See that, everyone? That's the curry right there. Goat. Curry goat ready up. See? Curry goat, white rice. What better to have curry goat? Now don't forget, this is from my kitchen, straight by your table. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you guys so much for watching.